Hello, everyone. I would like to start by saying that you may not know this, but 70% of your shopping experiences are based on how you are treated. So when you go to a store or when you go to an online store, your whole experience is based on your shopping decision is based on how you are treated by that particular retailer. Okay. So I would like to introduce you to the story of Grace Smith. She's a sales director. She knows how important first impression is in her job. So she's very careful about her appearance. She takes good care of herself. And she tries to renew her wardrobe every season, like we all women do, but she has a good excuse. And her makeup kit. She finds herself at work, and she remembers that this weekend she has a dinner party to go to. And she always wanted to try a extravagant makeup, but she never dared. But this party is a very good opportunity for her to do this. She's a customer of OSF Beauty, a cosmetics brand. So she finds herself at work, like I said, and goes online. She searches for the awesome products. And she lays her eyes on this metallic finish eyeshadow. She likes it so much that she goes in and she orders 2 of them because she has a very good friend who would also like this. So she adds it to her cart. Now, she's wondering, with this metallic eyeshadow, what lipstick should I use? So she sees this satin finish lipstick, red, and she goes and she visits this as well. She's not sure that the color, that red, is actually the red that will be in reality. So she's not sure about purchasing. But then again, she thinks about it. Okay, they have an online store as well as in-store, so I can go and check that out. But then she also sees this nail polish because she knows she's going to wear this very sexy little black dress, and her nails would look very good in red. But then again, this color, she's not sure if that very bright red is the actual color of the nail polish. She's called into a meeting, and she doesn't finalize her purchase. But she knows that the store is nearby her office, so she goes back to her work duties and decides to go to the store later on in the afternoon. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what happens back end, because you're all technical people. Heroku. After we built UnifyCOMMERCE, the award-winning, innovative product where we integrated Commerce Cloud with sales, service, marketing, community, then we decided to also include this Heroku Connect, which gathers information from all these clouds, commerce, sales, service, marketing, POS, puts it together, and then is able to process that data so that the retailer can not only personalize the shopping experience, but also individualize that shopping experience. And if you're convinced, you're not the only ones that Heroku is the future and big data is the future, because 90% of business leaders think that big data is going to be as revolutionary as internet once was. So this is how big this is. So like I said, we take information from all these clouds and we put it into Heroku. We have information about, remember, she left those items in her cart. We know that she abandoned 2 metallic eyeshadows. And we know that she's viewed some products. She also has a wish list. And all this data comes to Heroku and we process it. If we search for Grace, we see all this information about her in Heroku. So we know she's been pretty active here. Now, I will show you how this information looks in each cloud. For example, Service Cloud. If Grace were to call customer service and Kelly answered, then Kelly would be able to see all her information in Service Cloud, directly in Service Cloud. Yeah? So she will have information about her orders, her wish lists, and with the help of predictive intelligence, Einstein, artificial intelligence, she also has information about what could be recommended to her over the phone in a few minutes, very quick and easy. I mentioned abandoned carts, and those abandoned carts are processed not only in Heroku, but also in Marketing Cloud. We built a customer journey based on Grace abandoning those products, and if she hasn't finalized her purchase, with the help of this data extension through which we synchronize this information into Marketing Cloud, we are able to trigger an email to Grace and say, listen, you added something to your cart, but you haven't finalized your purchase. Would you like to do this now? Because our offers are usually limited to a few hours, for example. So we can also trigger this from online, and she can finalize this online. But Grace decided to go to the store. And for that, we built this beautiful clienteling app that I will present.
While Anemona is switching and setting it up, I will tell you a little bit about this application. So that was a true global project because we had multiple teams involved in that. So we had Marius, we had Alex, we had iFactory and Enrique here involved in this project. And what we did, as Anemona told you, we put this big data in the center of everything on Heroku, and we also added that one more piece for in-store that I was talking about, and that's basically this application for an in-store employees. So whenever you as a customer come to some kind of very innovative brands, you can, like for example, Apple. When you go to Apple, they pull it up and they see, oh yeah, you're a customer. You bought that MacBook a year ago, and then 2 years ago you bought that iPad. So that's a cool thing that they've been doing for a while. But now more and more brands, they want to be those cool brands. So they are all interested in that kind of application, and that's what we now were able to build, and that's what we will show you how exactly it looks now.
According to PwC, 70% of us expect when we go to a store that the agent magically can recommend certain products to us because we are in the age of technology. So when Grace goes to the store, Kelly, the service rep, can search for Grace's email address. By the way, this is live, so if it works a bit slowly, this is why. At a first glance, Kelly can see everything she needs to know about Grace. For example, 2 days ago was her birthday, if today is the 24th. She's been a customer for not a very long time. However, her shopping is off the roof. She's been shopping a lot with OSF Beauty. Like you saw on Service Cloud, she has access to her wish list, so she doesn't have to assume what she likes. She knows exactly what she likes and what she wants to purchase in the future. And with the help of predictive intelligence, she's able to see what she can recommend to Grace in store. Therefore, and she sees the abandoned cart. So she sees the two metallic eyeshadows for her and for Grace and for her friend, and the sheer gel that she has previously put in her cart. Very important, remember, she looked at 3 products when she started, when she was in the office and not working. She added, she viewed the metallic eyeshadow, the lipstick, and the nail polish. And she's able to call the makeup artist, ask Grace to spend a few minutes in the store, and offers a free makeup session in the store, exactly in the store. Why? Because she wants Grace to have an exquisite customer experience, and she sees that she has so many items in her wish list, viewed, abandoned carts, that she wants to give Grace this beautiful experience of testing all these products free of charge, and also see if that extravagant look that she was looking for to go to that dinner party is suitable for her. And so she calls the makeup artist. Grace is getting the makeup done for free. And in the meantime, because her birthday was 2 days ago, Kelly is able to offer a 25% discount on her next order, which would be this one, hopefully. And not only that, but also give her a product for free. So Grace is happy. She looks very good with the makeup that she has on. She decides to purchase these items, the lipstick and the nail polish. But because Kelly knows what Grace has in her wish list, she offers to give her that beauty blender for free. So she's happy, Grace is happy, and her experience with OSF Beauty has been incredible. I would like to mention that 42% of agents are underperforming due to the lack of this 360-degree view of consumer data. So almost half of them are not able to provide us with good customer service, good customer support, due to platforms not being integrated. So we at OSF build this clienteling app so that we can have those customers who, by the way, 90% of our shopping happens in store, so that we can benefit from an extraordinary shopping experience, and that the retailer, in this case OSF Beauty, is able to provide us with incredible customer experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you.